It's okay. Open your hand, babe. Hey, you want something? Just open your hand, see?
Wait.
Take some, babe. It's alright. They're hungry guys.
No.
Open your hand.
Away from me.
Open your hand.
Daddy, give the other one some.
Sure. Nice lamb.
There's another girl over there.
Is that lamb? Is that lamb chop? Here, Cindy. What? They like your food, see?
I know, but they were saying it's Cindy.
Alright. Open your hand. Put your hand down.
My hand all wet. Okay, hey.
Hey, guy, what you want?
Daddy! Guys!
Are you a shepherd, Z?
Okay, here.
No, don't throw it. Just hold your hand open.
Get my hand all wet.
It's alright.
I want no!
Don't run, Z.
Alright, alright.
Whoa.
No.
Whoops. I think I got it. Yeah, I think so.
Tripped over.
I know. Gentle, babe.